It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here with a little more practice on writing the equation of a line in point-slope form. For your reference, I have the equation right here. So let's get going. As a reminder, this is the way that I like to write an equation in point-slope form. You, of course, can do it in any order that you want. This is just a series of substitutions. So here we go. I like to start by substituting the y-coordinate, that's the 7, in for y sub 1 in my equation because that's what comes first. So I'm going to write y minus, here I'm substituting in my 7, equals, then I'm substituting in my slope. As you can see, the slope is represented by the letter m. 4/5 substitutes in for that. And then I have x minus, and then I substitute in my x coordinate, which is here, which is -1. Oh, I didn't leave enough room. All right. So we're not quite done because as you can see, I've got two negatives here right next to each other. So I need to simplify. So my final equation is going to look like this. Y minus 7 equals 4/5 times the quantity x. Two negatives make a positive, plus 1. All right. Let's do the next practice problem we have. This is another way you can do it. Sometimes I like to start by writing the equation in the way that I know it and leaving the gaps for the information I need to put in. So you can see I left a gap for the y coordinate, I left a gap for the slope, and I left a gap for the x coordinate, and I recognize that my coordinate's missing a comma there. All right, so here we go. First step, we're going to plug in our y coordinate. In this case, it's -5. Okay. Be careful, don't just write 5. You have to put -5. Our slope is -6, and that goes here. And our y coordinate is +11. All right, same situation as last time. I see that I have two negative signs adjacent to one another, so two negatives become a positive, so I do need to simplify this. Equals, my slope is still -6 times the quantity x minus 11. And there you have it, the equation written in point-slope form. All right, thanks for taking the time to unlock the magic of writing an equation in point-slope form with me. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe for more math videos.